Hey friends! Protect your vehicle around the clock with these top-tier dash cams featuring the most advanced night vision sensors available. In this video, we're taking a look at the best dash cams with night vision in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the Red Tiger F7N Touch Dual Dash Cam. This sophisticated device completely modernizes the way you interact with your vehicle's security system by featuring a highly responsive smart touchscreen. The unit captures breathtaking 4K UHD footage through its 170-degree front lens, while the 1080p rear camera covers a 140-degree field to ensure no detail is missed. Using a combination of WDR and HDR technologies, it significantly improves visibility during midnight drives, balancing light and dark areas to prevent headlight glare from washing out important license plate information. Beyond simple recording, the built-in voice control allows for hands-free operation, letting you lock emergency clips or toggle Wi-Fi without taking your hands off the wheel. For those who prioritize connectivity, the 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi enables lightning-fast 20 MB per second transfers to your smartphone, making it easier than ever to share incidents or scenic footage. This package even includes a generous 128 GB memory card, providing everything you need to start recording immediately with professional-grade clarity and reliable 24-hour parking surveillance. Next up, our second product, the Red Tiger F7N Dual Dash Cam. This particular model is a powerhouse of optical engineering, utilizing a massive f1.5 aperture and a specialized 6-layer optical lens to maximize light intake. It provides an exceptional 4K front and 1080p rear recording setup, specifically tuned to capture road signs and small details with pinpoint accuracy even in low-light environments. The Red Tiger Cam app provides a seamless interface for both iOS and Android users, allowing for real-time GPS route tracking and easy video management right from your mobile device. Safety is reinforced by the integrated G-sensor, which detects sudden impacts and automatically locks the current footage to prevent it from being overwritten by the loop recording feature. The wide-angle lenses work in harmony to reduce dangerous blind spots, providing a comprehensive safety bubble around your vehicle during daily commutes or long road trips. With its 18-month warranty and 24-hour parking monitoring capabilities, it offers long-term reliability and peace of mind for drivers who demand superior evidence collection regardless of the time of day. Coming in at number 3, the Preveo D90-4CH 4-channel dash cam. If you are looking for absolute 360-degree protection, this 4-channel system is the ultimate solution, recording the front, rear, left, and right sides of your vehicle simultaneously. All 4 lenses record in crisp 1080p high definition, and the cabin-facing lens is equipped with 4 infrared lights to ensure clear footage of the interior even in total darkness. The time-lapse parking mode is incredibly efficient, compressing an hour of footage into a single minute to save space while providing continuous surveillance of your car's surroundings. Because it utilizes a supercapacitor instead of an internal battery, it is exceptionally safe for use in extreme heat or cold, preventing the risk of battery swelling or failure. The built-in GPS accurately logs your speed and exact coordinates, which can be vital for insurance claims or roadside assistance situations. Its Wi-Fi connectivity and free mobile app makes setup and instant viewing a breeze, while the adjustable front lenses allow you to tailor the viewing angles to match your specific vehicle's dashboard and windshield layout. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Botslab G980H Dual Dash Cam. This advanced camera system leverages the power of the Sony IMX415 sensor to deliver stunning 4K front and 2K rear resolution that remains clear even on the darkest rural roads. It is much more than just a camera. The 1.5 TOPS AI NPU chip powers a full suite of advanced driver assistance systems, providing real-time alerts for lane departures and potential pedestrian collisions. The expansive 170-degree front lens is wide enough to cover up to 6 lanes of traffic, ensuring that you have an undisputed digital witness for any multi-lane highway incident. To protect your data during power loss, It is built with a high-end supercapacitor that offers temperature resistance from -20 to 70 degrees Celsius. The included 64GB microSD card and WDR technology mean the system is optimized for high-quality, immediate use right out of the box. Its 24-hour parking mode acts as a tireless sentry against theft or vandalism, while the fatigue alert system keeps you safe by reminding you to take breaks during long-distance hauls. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Rove R2-4K Dual Dash Cam. This top-tier recording solution utilizes the cutting-edge Sony IMX675 Starvis 2 sensor, which is widely considered the industry standard for exceptional low-light clarity and vivid color reproduction. The 4K front and 1080p rear cameras work together with wide 150 and 140-degree angles to ensure you capture every movement around your car with cinematic detail. Connectivity is faster than ever with 5G per 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, enabling ultra-fast download speeds of up to 20 megabytes per second, so you can update firmware or share videos on the Rove app in seconds. For those who want maximum storage, this device supports up to a massive 1 TB microSD card, allowing you to save weeks of high-resolution driving history without overwriting. The 24/7 parking mode is highly sophisticated, offering motion detection, collision alerts, and even voice guidance to keep you informed of the system's status at all times. It is a complete and future-proof security package that includes a supercapacitor for extreme durability and a dedicated GPS player for both PC and Mac to review your journeys with precision. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.